Hey guys, this is Easy Breezy and you are tuned into part 2 to my asymmetrical curly bob. So in part 1, I already installed this wig from Elfin hair. Now I'm gonna wet it down and cut it.
So you can eat chicken tenders at Longhorn because you're not gonna get no salmon. You're not gonna get no steak. So what are we going to Longhorn for? For a 4 for $4? What are we going there for? You get the same thing as Zaxby's. For what? It's the same chicken tender meat. They give it to all the restaurants. You'll be fine. Applebee's or Chili's. Pick your choice.
Y'all ever known someone that no matter what restaurant they went to, they always ordered the same thing? Why would you go to a restaurant just to order chicken fingers? I never understood that. Now, I can understand if they had bomb chicken fingers, like this place got the bomb chicken fingers. But everywhere though, come on now, you got to try stuff. You got to experimente. So as y'all can see, I'm cutting the baby hair about 1 inch all the way around. And today I'm using gorilla knots to lay the baby hairs down. So of course I'm going to use my comb and smooth method to do this. Comb with your right hand and smooth with your left. Alright, let's take some sea breeze and remove all that gel from her skin. So when I was dyeing this wig red, I kind of got the color on the lace. So I'm going to take some concealer and put it on the part so it can stand out a little bit better.
My purse right now. Jordan, bring my purse. The blue one. Walk away. Walk away. Got your sunglasses. I got all the things you need in here. And also, if a bitch try you and it's like more of them than you, you'll be ready. Now, I got this from a restaurant and this baby was sharp. I said, oh, I'm taking this home with me.
So you guys, this wraps up this video. Thank you so much, Elfin Hair, for this beautiful, soft, deep wave lace front wig. Crystal definitely rocks it well. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. You know I appreciate it every single time. Notification gang, I see y'all. Period. What's good? If you are not subscribed, go ahead and do that right now and turn on your notifications so you can be a part of the notification gang.